Hey, what's up, guys? This is Tech Guru Lewis 99 with a quick tip. If you're having issues with playing Assassin's Creed 3, the sounds of the game on your Nintendo Wii U, um, it's been quite troublesome for me. A lot of tips would say go on settings and then go to where the sounds is and change it from surround to stereo or mono. Like, I'm just gonna show you quickly here. So right now I'm on mono. You can do, normally you'll be on this, and this will be okay for any game you play. You automatically just play it. Um, but on some games, um, it only works stereo or only works mono. So I have a mono here. Normally the games that have the sound glitches would be Splatoon and Assassin's Creed 3 and 4 on the Wii U, I believe. So I'm just gonna show you right now. I'm gonna open up Assassin's Creed 3, and I've been looking online for a fix or some type of a resolution to this. But in the last second, I figured out my own resolution. So I'm gonna increase the volume. So right now you're gonna hear the sound of the intro, um, of it booing. Now when it goes through all this, it is gonna be quiet. And I have changed it to stereo. Open the game, nothing happens. Change it to mono, nothing happens. This is a modified system, so I even installed an app that would um, fix this glitch. Some of these games, the sound don't play if you play. You can play the game on the gamepad, but you will not get the sound unless you actually play it on the TV. The sound will only play on the TV. I know it doesn't make. I know I'm not making much sense. But right now you can see I'm pressing buttons. You're not hearing. You're just hearing my voice. And so far on the internet, I haven't seen what I'm going to show you right now. So basically, you can forget all those settings and things like that. So if you want to fix this, you're going to go down to options. You're going to go to general. Now they say to change the volume up and down, but still no sound is coming in. So I scroll all the way down and I saw this. Remote play with Wii U gamepad. I figured this is the way remote play. I'm already playing the game. This is remote play. I am playing on the gamepad. So I see this is off. So I just turn it on. And like magic, there you go. I got the sound back on. And pretty much, there was nothing on the internet telling me how to do this. I just figured this out on my own, so I'm just gonna put this out there. I know that it's gonna help some of you guys out that you try all different type of things and still the sound doesn't come. This will only affect you if you want to play the game on the gamepad. If you play it on the TV, I'm pretty sure that the sound you use the gamepad to play the game, but you would play it on the TV and the sound will come on the TV. But if you just want to play the game only on the gamepad, then you have to enable that option unless you want to play the game with no sound, which would be quite boring. Well, anyway, guys, pretty much it was how to get the sound if you're playing Assassin's Creed 3 on your Wii U gamepad. The same thing for Black Flags, and Splatoon. There's a few nerds that have the same issue. I just know those games at this moment. So leave a comment down below if you guys need any help or anything like that. If you like this video, please rate, comment, subscribe for another Android tutorials and quick tips like this. And you guys have fun and keep playing.